Hi, this is Susan Speck-Oram, author of the Millersville Thriller series. In my book, The Mother's Thread, this transit shed is, I make it larger in my fictional version of Anacortes, Washington, Millersville. And so it's a many-stored building, and it's wood, as it is. And something happens at the end of the book where great drama takes place when peaceful protests turn into riots, and a mother is pitted against a daughter. Here you can see the dry dock for Dakota Creek Shipyard. That's our local shipyard. And so they're working on the island enterprise there. And if we were to walk out onto the pier, we might see American Spirit, a cruise ship that comes in on Sundays when the town is basically closed up. So that's it for now. We'll take a little walk down and see on this gray, rainy day in November. We'll take a look and see, if you pardon me, what's going on at the waterfront. On my left here is Cortland Rope, and so they're manufacturing rope in our town, and like in any small USA town, manufacturing and local businesses are really key to employing people. I love the flower pot there, which is the end of the gutter, the downspout. It's a yellow watering can, isn't it? And then we've got murals by Bill Mitchell, who sadly passed away, but although he was paralyzed, he also managed to have a going career in art, producing these murals of real-life people in the history of our town. So going a bit farther, we're going to get to the water, because for this small waterfront town, we're a working waterfront, and so the water is our business and a source of pleasure. If you own a boat, then surely you want to have stop in here in Anacortes at a marina on your way out to the San Juan Islands, which are out that way. You can see a fishing boat over there in the distance. Here's one of our many little beaches. And then down the way there's Trident Seafoods, which is processing seafood. In fact, the other night we had some frozen cod, and it came right here from Trident. All right, well that's it for today. In the distance you can see Guaymas Island, and that is in my book Shore Lodge. That becomes Cedar Island, where there's a psych ward, a psychiatric ward, in a secure facility where our heroine, Jacqueline, is admitted against her will by her son, and she must escape and reclaim her life. Well, that's it for now, and this is Susan Speck-Oram, author, and my books are available, thrillers, domestic suspense, and mysteries on Amazon and at Watermark Books in Anacortes. Thank you for listening and seeing me. Bye-bye.